What is the Mediterranean style? The Mediterranean style is a style that emerged from the influence of the Mediterranean culture and expresses the beauty and romance of European countries. It is considered one of the simplest and most elegant styles due to its attention to detail and basic touches free of complexity. It is characterized by boldness, simplicity, and comfort. The use of cotton and lace fabrics. It depends on bringing nature into the place. It depends on natural lighting and good ventilation. It depends on calm, neutral, and warm colors such as white, black, and beige. The diversity of natural materials used such as wood, iron, metals, stone, and ceramics. This is simply the Mediterranean style in interior design. Follow us on social media to learn about everything news. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Thank you for watching.